students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, write the degree of the polynomial p of x is equals to 3x cube minus x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So to solve this question, see, they are asking degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. So see, variable here is x and highest power of x is 4. Highest power of x is 4. So 4 is our degree of polynomial. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.